How to connect a guitar to Bandlab. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your guitar to Bandlab and start recording with professional quality sound. Whether you're using a desktop or mobile device, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. What you need. Before we begin, ensure you have the following: an electric or acoustic electric guitar, an audio interface, a standard instrument cable, a computer with Google Chrome or a smartphone with the Bandlab app, and headphones. Connecting and recording on desktop. Let's start with the desktop setup. 1. Plug your guitar into the audio interface using the cable. 2. Connect the audio interface to your computer via USB. 3. Open Google Chrome and navigate to bandlab.com. 4. Log in or create a free Bandlab account. 5. Click on Create and select New Project, then choose Voice, Mic or Guitar as your track type. 6. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. Under Audio Input, select your audio interface. 7. Enable monitoring by clicking the microphone icon on your track, allowing you to hear your guitar in real time. Click Effects to access a range of effects like amp simulations, reverb, and delay. And then, when ready, press the red record button to start capturing your performance. Connecting and recording on mobile. 1. Use a compatible mobile audio interface, such as the iRig or Bandlab Link Analog Mini to connect your guitar to your device. Open the Bandlab app and tap the More icon to start a new project. Select Voice, Mic, or Guitar as your track type. Enable input monitoring by tapping the microphone icon so you can hear your guitar as you play. Tap Effects to explore and apply various effects to your guitar sound. And then, when you're set, tap the red record button to begin recording. And that's how you connect and record your guitar using Bandlab. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.